Hello everyone, welcome to this course. Today we will learn the hands-on part of controlling area configuration. So let's start step by step. First, maintain controlling area. T code is OKKP and path is SPRO IMG controlling general controlling and organization and maintain controlling area. And maintain controlling area. Choose continue, click on basic data and click on new entries, controlling area, define controlling area. I'm going to define VM01. It's not a mandatory, but it's better to keep controlling area name same as company code. And name, I'm going to give VM01 controlling area. And COCD. In assignment control, COCD, choose controlling area same as company code. And currency type give 10. Currency INR. Chart of account VM01 and fiscal year variant V3. VM Here we can give any name, but it is better to use our company name. So our company name is VMart Private Limited. That's why I gave VMPL. And just save. Yes. And under Bhumi test TR, TCTR std dot hierarchy means controlling standard hierarchy. And OK or enter. Now click on activate components. Click on new entries, fiscal year variant, controlling area VM01 and fiscal year. Our fiscal year means current year 2026. Enter 2999. This field is display only. And cost center components. Here cost center component activate, order management component activate, and commit.management component activate, and active based costing component active for parallel and integrate calculation. Here click on all currency and just save. Okay. Now double click on assignment of company codes. Click on new entries and COCD means company code, give VM01, enter and save. Okay, data was saved. So today's session ends here. I hope today's topic is clear. In the next session, we will start with versions. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.